In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved jobs on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you've been using Indeed to job hunt, you probably know that it allows you to save job postings for future reference. This can be super helpful when you want to keep track of opportunities that catch your eye. However, sometimes you might want to clean up your saved jobs list. Maybe you've applied to some positions or decided they're not the right fit for you anymore. Whatever the reason, I'm going to show you how to easily delete those saved jobs. First, make sure you're logged into your Indeed account. This is really important because you can only manage your saved jobs while signed in. So if you haven't already, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page and find the job search bar. Right next to it, you'll see several options, including Saved Jobs. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to a list of all the jobs you've saved. Now, as you scroll through your saved jobs, you'll notice that there's a small icon or a link next to each job posting. This is typically represented by a heart or a bookmark, depending on what you use to save it. To delete a job, simply locate the job you want to remove and look for this icon. When you hover over the job listing, you should see a few options pop up, including one that says Remove or Unsave. Click on that option. A pop-up may appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this job from your saved list, just to make sure you don't accidentally remove something you may want to keep. Confirm that action, and the job will be removed from your saved list. If you have multiple jobs you'd like to delete, you can repeat this process for each job individually. However, on Indeed, if you are looking to clean up quickly, there might also be an option to bulk remove if there are several jobs saved that you want to delete at once. If you see that option, click on it, select the jobs you wish to delete, and confirm the removal. This can save you a lot of time. Now, after you've cleaned up your saved jobs, it's a good idea to review the jobs you're actively considering. Sometimes, it's easy to forget what you saved and why. Take a few moments to reflect on what opportunities still excite you and keep track of those as you continue your application process. Finally, remember that managing your saved jobs not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you don't miss new postings that may replace those you've removed. With job hunting, staying focused and organized can make a huge difference in your success. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete saved jobs on Indeed. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Happy job hunting and good luck with your search.